Hello friends, Maddie here. In this demo tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can actually use model pop-ups and how you can use the bars in on your landing page and sales page. So I'll go with this new order form. I'll choose a blank template. I will open this blank template in Builder. Here we go. So we have this blank template ready now, and I'm going to use a button. So I will show you how you can actually open a pop-up on click of this button. So to add the pop-up, you have to go to a preset block. You have to click on Modal pop-up, and you will find some pop-ups here. Right now we have one pop-up here. We are working on some other done for you Modal pop-ups. So as soon as you click on that, you find this right hand side bar. You can show and hide the modal. So it's just a dummy content on this modal pop-up. Now you need to change, you need to redesign the whole pop-up. So what we can do, we can click on the manage background, and we can choose background color. So background color can be white. We can choose overlay color, which can be black, and opacity would be light. Now we can change the width of the pop-up and the height of the pop-up. Okay, now we have changed its width and height. We can increase it, we can decrease it, and we have model type. You want it on left, right, top, or bottom, or normal. Normal is like center. Okay, so right, let's create a center pop-up first, then I'll show you how you can use other kind of pop-ups. If you want to use the background color, background image in the modal pop-up, you can choose a background image. Let's say this can be the background. You can click on this. You see the modal, like the design background image has been set in the model. So you can have the background image of the model, or you can delete it by clicking on this button. All right, now we have this white pop-up. Now let's put some stuff. Let's say the video. Let's say we have a video here in the right hand side. It's a small video, and we have a form. Let's say text input type here, and one more. I can clone it. One more text box. Perfect. And I need one button. I can have one button here. Perfect. Now I need one heading, so I can have one heading text here. This is one-time offer. Available for few hours. Let's say this is the headline, and I can make it on like I can put center. I can change its font. I need some nice font. I can choose oxygen. I can have font weight 700, so it will be a bit bolder. You can actually change its position. One more thing, it's a new thing we have implemented now. So which is if you click on this font setting or any other object, you can find shadow. So I would say shadow color would be gray, and it can be 2. You can change its setting. Okay, it's a blur, it's a distance, so it can be less. So you can have the shadow of any text or any object. And this last one is the blur, so you can blur it. You can put the shadow in any object. So now shadow is there. Okay, so here I'm going to have one countdown timer. Let's say I can reduce its size, and I'm going to put it here in the center of this screen. So this is the modal pop-up I've created. Now I will save it. I've clicked on the save now, and let's see the preview. So before clicking on the preview, you can actually click on this, so it will be hidden. Now you have the button on the page. You can click on edit object. Now you have this additional option, pop-up button. So click on the pop-up button. Now you can find the modal. If you have 3 modal, you will find the 3 modal in this list. If you have like multiple modal, you can find multiple modal in this. You can choose this. Click here to get access, let's say. Okay, I'll save it now, and I will click on the preview. Now if you click on this, you will see this pop-up here. Now you can preview, you can play the video, you can close it. Okay, and I'm going to open this model again. I'm going to choose this. I'm going to click on edit object, and I'm going to choose another date, which is okay. So this countdown timer should also work. I will click on the preview again. I'll click on the view, this X button. Now you can see the timer is working, and this is the modal pop-up. You can set up, you can create any modal pop-up like this, multiple modal you can create. You can create multiple pop-ups. And now I will show you how you can create a cookie alert in the foot, like a bottom side, or any other alert, or any other bar in the top side, or right hand side, or left hand side. So now let's say we have this pop-up. Okay, I'm going to create one more modal. Let's say I'm going to have the plain modal again. So we got this. This is our new modal. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to click on the setting, and in the setting I'm going to have modal width would be 100%, modal height would be like this, 10-20%, and the background color would be gray like this. We're going to have this text here in the modal, and I'm going to have the opacity of this, so we can have the overlay color, something like this. We can reduce it, or we can reduce the opacity of this background color from here as well, so it can become a transparent like bar. Now I'm going to choose like the option model type. It should be bottom. Okay, as soon as I click on bottom, I click on save, and this is the modal 2, and and I'm going to hide this. I'm going to clone this button. On this button I'm going to call Modal 2 and I will save it. I will see the preview. So you click on this, now you'll see this bar in the bottom side. You can close it. Now if you want to show some kind of cookie alerts or some kind of GDPR alerts, you can show those alerts here on one click or on any different intent. Okay, so this is how you can use Modal pop-ups. And the bars, you can have it on, you can put it on top instead of the bottom. So you click on this, you click on the manage background, you can change it to top and save it. You come here, refresh your page. Now you click on this, you can see this on the top. So you can see the overlays properly working. The modal pop-up is and bar is properly working, and this is the normal modal and this is the bar. So how this is the way you can actually create modal and pop-ups and different kind of bars in the right hand side, the left hand side, the top and bottom and center. So this is working perfectly all right now. All right, perfect. So in the next demo, I'm going to show you how you can actually sell digital goods and physical goods, and how you can see the order details on your dashboard. And in this demo, we have discussed about how you can create modals, how you can create the shadow effect on any object, and how you can actually create bars, top bar and bottom bar, right bar and left bar. So this is the way you can actually create modals and pop-ups on your page. Thank you.